Today, I want to show how I scrub my daughter's scalp and explain why this step is very important in our hair care routine. I have already done one side of her scalp and now I will show how I do the other side. The first thing I do is lightly spray the hair and scalp with water. This helps soften the hair, hydrates the scalp, and makes the scrub easier to apply. It also reduces pulling and friction, which is especially important when caring for a child, even an adult's hair. The scalp scrub I am using today was professionally formulated by me in my home lab. It is designed to gently cleanse and exfoliate the scalp without stripping or causing irritation. So, what exactly is scalp scrubbing? It is simply a gentle way of exfoliating the scalp to remove product buildup, excess oil, and dead skin cells. When these build up, they can cause itching, flaky, or discomfort, and of course, slow the rate at which the hair will grow. In my journey of natural hair care, I have discovered that many of us focus a lot on the hair, but the scalp is just as important as the hair. When the scalp is clean, comfortable, and well cared for, the hair has a better environment to grow and thrive. When I apply the scrub, I work in small sections and apply it directly onto the scalp, not the hair length. Please take note of this, because scalp scrubs are formulated to work on the scalp surface where buildup and dead skin cells accumulate. As seen in the video, I massage gently using my fingertips, not my nails. Please, this is very important. Also note that my finger movements are light and controlled, because scrubbing should never hurt or feel uncomfortable. Avoid scratching the scalp or using pressure, because the goal is to lift buildup while keeping the scalp calm and comfortable. Scrubbing too hard. Listen, if you scrub too hard, it can irritate the scalp and disrupt the scalp barrier.
Shining bright for all to see. Our time is now to stand up, do something and be great.
Quick recap. Don't forget, first spray the scalp with water, then apply the scrub. It is the water that will help the scrub to spread more easily, reduces pulling, and also protects the scalp.
Seeds of strength begin to grow. Hope that whispers through the breeze, rising high like ancient trees. We are strong, we are free, shining bright for all to see. Our time is now to stand up, do something and be great. Strength in every step we show. Confidence, courage help us grow. Together rising, set apart. With hope and love within our hearts. Through the storms, the skies will clear. Hold your head, the light is near. Be determined, don't lose focus. Have faith, life is beautiful.
As I round up, please remember that massage is very important. Applying water and a scrub alone is not enough. A gentle massage helps the scalp respond better. It improves circulation, lifts build-up, helps product work better. It relaxes the scalp and supports overall scalp health. It is a small step, but let me tell you, it makes a big difference in how the scalp feels and functions.
Through the storms, the skies will clear. Hold your head, the light is near. Be determined.
A healthy scalp routine should always feel gentle and soothing. If the scalp feels sore, painful, or irritated, that is a sign to stop. Adjust your technique or reconsider the product you are using, because scalp care should always support the scalp, not stress it. I made it comfortable for my girl. I'm happy she loves it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.